Let me show you a quick, easy way to see your app usage using screen time on your iPhone. Seeing your screen time is incredibly useful as it helps you understand how much time you're spending on your iPhone and then which apps are consuming most of that time. To go ahead and get started, first, find and open the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Once you're inside of here, scroll down a little bit, and then in the center here, you'll see Screen Time. Choose this. Once you're inside of here, at the top, you're going to start to see some information about your screen time usage. If this is your first time coming into this menu and you currently do not have screen time turned on, then you'll have to turn the feature on, and then you'll have to wait a little while as your iPhone collects the data to show you. I've had mine turned on for a long time now, so I can go ahead and show you what it looks like. To get a more detailed view of all of our usage, tap See All App and Website Activity here at the bottom of the top section and graph. Inside of here, you're going to see detailed stats on your device usage. At the top, you'll see your screen time with your daily average in hours and minutes, and the percentage that it's up from the previous week. You'll see your total screen time usage. Underneath of that, you'll see the apps and how often you use them. Scrolling down to the bottom, you'll see how much notification screen time you've used. And by default, this is all going to be showing in week format. Back here at the top, you can tap Day, and then it'll show you a breakdown of screen usage for that day. If you have more than one device on your account, like I have my phone and my computer, up here on the top right, I can select Devices, and then I can either choose all devices or each one individually. Again, this is a really useful way to see how you're using your devices and how much time you're spending on individual apps. And that's how you check your screen time usage on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.